Hi everyone. What we're going to have a look for this video is quite simply how the clutch operates. This is something that people often struggle with. It's an explanation also that I find trainee instructors also struggle delivering, so it might help a few people out there. If people understand how the clutch works, they often use it a little bit better when they're learning to drive. So here we go. I'm going to try and be as simple as I can, so we're not going to get any marks for any technical information here. Let's keep it simple. So the first thing I need to explain is that the clutch consists of two plates. So as I press this clutch pedal down, these plates split apart. And quite simply, they break the link from the engine to the wheels. And what I'd like people to think about is power. So effectively, we've got the engine this side and we've got the wheels this side. No power is getting through to the wheels at the moment, literally because these two clutch plates are apart. So I'm just going to press this start engine button up here and you can see that the engine clutch plate is spinning and the one towards the wheel side isn't. And quite simply, what happens as I lift this clutch pedal up, these plates come together. And it's this transfer of power that the clutch is actually used for. As you lift the clutch pedal up, you'll get to the point where they touch, although it doesn't look as though they touch on the diagram. We've got to imagine at this point that they're just starting to touch, and some of the engine power is getting from the engine through to the wheels. If you look closely though, what you'll be able to see is that the clutch plate nearest the engine, or this one, is spinning a little faster than this one. And that's actually what the clutch does. It sort of like matches the spin from both sides. And that's why at this point, at the biting point, we have to be slow and smooth with the clutch quite often. But then once these two plates are the same speed, we can then lift the clutch pedal all the way up. And then all of the power is going from the engine through to the wheels. And that's when your gas or your accelerator can be squeezed, and that's when we can increase the speed. No problem, makes sense. Now, next little thing that I'd like to just have a little think about is why we press the clutch when we're stopping. Well, if you think about it, if everything's connected and our brakes are this side, the wheel side, if we were to stop this side by the wheels with the brakes, because all this is connected, the engine will stop as well, and that's what we call the stall. So what we need to do, we need to slow the car down, listening for when to declutch, and then as we press the clutch pedal down, these plates split apart, we can stop this side by the wheels with the brakes, and then the engine is allowed to keep running. And that's quite simply how the clutch operates. Remember, when we're lifting the clutch up, we don't always have to do it slowly all of the time. Actually, from the floor to the bite, we can lift it, but it's then at this biting point that it has to be nice and slow until the plates match, and then we can lift the clutch pedal fully up. Pressing the clutch pedal down, however, is an utterly different process. We should generally push it down quickly. So quickly down and smoothly and often slowly back up at around the biting point. Now, I hope that helps everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think. And as always, good luck with your driving, keep safe out there, and I'll see you all soon.